Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make screenshot in your iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, maybe 15. It's very simple and easy, just look how I did that. So first of all I need to get on screen, I need to make a screenshot on, and I need to press at the same time two buttons, the power button and the volume up button. I need to hold them at the same time. Let's see how it looks like. I just hold them and here it is. Here is the screenshot I made, and when I tap on it I can edit it as regular screenshot on your another iPhone. I can write here something. I choose this pen and I show you how it looks like. Can write here, I can crop it, this image in any condition I want, and then I can just tap on done and select where I need to save this file. I can save it to photos, I can save it to files, or I can delete this screenshot and not to save it to anywhere. Now you see how it's simple and easy to take a screenshot on your iPhone. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.